In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe. To begin, sign into your Stripe dashboard. From the main menu, go to Billing, then select Invoices. This is where you can view existing invoices and create new ones for your customers. Once you are on the Invoices page, click Create Invoice. This opens the invoice setup screen, where you will enter the customer details, line items, and payment settings. Next, select the customer for this invoice. If the customer already exists in your Stripe account, choose them from the list. If not, click Add New Customer and enter their information. Make sure the customer details are correct, since Stripe will use this information for billing and delivery. After that, add the item you want to charge for. Click Add One-Time Item. Then enter a clear description of the product or service, along with the quantity and the price. Review these values carefully so the invoice total is accurate. If needed, you can add more than one item by repeating the same process. Once the item has been added, choose how the invoice will be delivered and paid. Stripe gives you a few different options here. You can have Stripe automatically charge the customer if a payment method is already saved. You can choose to email the invoice directly from Stripe. Or you can create a payment link that you send manually. Select the option that matches how you want to collect payment. Before sending the invoice, take a moment to review the additional settings. You can add an optional memo if you want to include a note for the customer. You can also apply tax, add a discount, or set a due date if the invoice is not meant to be paid immediately. When everything looks right, click Review Invoice. On the review screen, check all of the details one more time. Confirm the customer, the items, the pricing, and the payment method. This final check helps prevent mistakes before the invoice is sent. When you are ready, send the invoice right away or schedule it to be sent later, depending on your needs. Stripe will then handle the delivery based on the option you selected. That covers everything you need to know.